Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Glide mask. This incredible piece of armor will greatly improve your ability to navigate the skies. Your first step is to fast travel to the Mount Lanayru Skyview Tower. Be sure to equip some cold-resistant gear or consume a warming elixir, as the mountain peaks are quite chilly. Once launched from the tower, aim your paraglider northeast towards Valor Island, located in the South Lanayru Sky Archipelago. This can be a lengthy flight, so bring along some stamina-restoring food or elixirs. If your stamina is low, look for smaller islands along the way. Some even have pre-built Zanai flying machines to assist your travel. Upon reaching Valor Island, find the friendly steward construct. They will invite you to participate in a dive ceremony. First, you'll complete a practice run, diving through all the green rings without any time pressure. After this, you can attempt the real challenge for a fee of 1 Zanai charge. To earn the Glide mask, you must successfully dive through every green ring within 35 seconds. Once completed, the mask is yours. This fantastic item greatly enhances your mobility and control while plummeting from the sky. Remember, collecting and upgrading all 3 pieces of the Glide armor set will grant you an amazing impact-proof bonus, negating all fall damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.